Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Naomi Boyer. Don't mind me, I have the allergies right now, so I sound sick, but I am not. Also, don't mind these flyaways. They're so untamable. So today's video is going to be how to look tall and slender. These are styling tips for petite girls like me. I am 5'1", and not a lot of people know that, and I get that question all the time. So these are the little things over the years that I found help lengthen me. They also unintentionally help slim me down or look slim down in pictures. If you're a petite girl like me, or just if you want to look tall in general, whether it's in real life or in pictures, or maybe you just want to emphasize length, then stay tuned for the video. Also, really quickly before we move on, I wanted to mention this little necklace is a locket that's called the Naomi. They named it after me. This one is from MirandaFry.com. The necklace or the chain is also from Miranda Fry. This one's called the Lindsay chain. It's my favorite. So if you guys like this and you guys want to purchase it, head over to MirandaFry.com. You can use my code Naomi for 10% off. I mentioned this in my stories. Their new fall collection is out. So if you don't follow me on Instagram yet and you missed that story, you should go follow me. I post daily outfit inspirations on there. I'm just Naomi Boyer on Instagram. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. And let's get to the video. So my first tip for looking tall, looking slim also, is to wear high-waisted pants. Now, if you follow me for a while, you know I talk a lot about high-waisted pants. If you're petite, something that is high-waisted, at least 10 inches, or something that hits you above your belly button is going to give the illusion that your legs start a lot higher than they really do. I know not everybody can wear high-waisted bottoms, but that definitely really does help lengthen your legs, make you look taller. Any type of high-waisted bottoms, whether it's with wide leg pants, jeans, crop jeans, high-waisted will always lengthen you a lot more than low-rise pants would. Alright, my next tip is to tuck in your tops. Now, I feel like I talk about tucking in your tops a lot in a lot of my informative videos. If you are using high-waisted pants, but you're using a longer shirt on the top, you kind of cut yourself off at the leg. So by tucking in your tops, again, you're accentuating length at the bottom. Also wearing a longer necklace over your top if you have a short torso, and if you're more concerned about your short torso and you want to make it look longer, a necklace that is probably mid-tummy length will help do that. So when it comes to shoes, opting for a pointed toe versus a rounded toe is definitely going to give you length. This also helps you look slimmer because it accentuates the smallest part of your body, which is your ankle. So it kind of gives you this illusion from your ankle all the way to the pointed toe tip of your shoe that it's kind of like a never-ending flow. And so you're emphasizing the long and the slim and slenderness of that part of your body. Especially if you're the kind of girl that doesn't wear heels and likes to wear flats, a pointed toe is definitely going to do all of those things. A rounded toe flat will just kind of stop you short and cut you off. Moving on to my next tip, when you are wearing shoes all together, opting for a nude color instead of a dark color will again accentuate those smaller, slender parts of your body, like your ankle. But also wearing a nude close to your skin tone, again, will give you the illusion of a longer leg. There's definitely nothing wrong with wearing dark colors for shoes, but those will definitely cut you off more. It'll definitely emphasize and it'll show more of where your length stops. And my next tip, going back to wearing flats, any type of flat, whether it's a flat sandal or a closed toe flat, is to not wear anything too busy. For example, wearing gladiators or cage type of sandals will cut you off. Again, whenever something is too busy, especially if it's busy and dark in color, it'll definitely emphasize how petite you are if you must go with shoes like that. Again, opt for nudes. But sandals or flats that are too busy like that definitely cut you off at your leg or at your foot or at your ankle, especially the higher up they go. Wearing simpler, less busy nude flats or sandals or shoes definitely helps with lengthening, slimming, and hiding all those things that you don't want when it comes to looking taller. Alright, my next tip is for taking pictures. If you want to look slim and tall when taking a picture, have your photographer take your photo from a lower angle. So tilting the phone could help that lower angle. It could help you look like you have really long legs, but also squatting or just bending down a little bit lower will help make any background look smaller and you look a lot taller. Alright, my next tip is if you're going to wear stripes, opt for vertical stripes instead of horizontal stripes. Anything going up and down is going to help again, lengthen you just because that's where the lines are going. Anything horizontal is just going to emphasize more width. So definitely opt for vertical stripes if you can find it. All right, my next tip when it comes to wearing pants, crop pants definitely help you look more slimmer because again, they emphasize the smallest part of your body, which is your ankle. And then assuming that you're going to wear flat, preferably pointy toe shoes, that smaller part of your ankle, again, is gonna go a long way. Also, when it comes to bottoms, opting for a skinnier leg or tapered leg bottom versus a wide leg bottom is going to, again, emphasize length and emphasize slimming. Anything wide leg and cropped with a lot of material is going to emphasize more width. All right, next tip, if you're a petite girl like me, wearing things that fit well and are proportionate to your body will definitely help you. So for me, I like things that are oversized, but again, if you're petite, don't wear things that are so oversized that you're drowning in them. If you opt for wearing a maxi that has a lot of material, maybe add a belt to slim it down. I guess the rule of thumb here is just to make sure that everything that you're wearing is proportionate to your size. All right, my next tip in regards to that is if you don't have things that are proportionate to your body in your closet, for example, if you need to wear a t-shirt and all the t-shirts that you're wearing are too big, there are little things that you can do to help you look more slender, to look more proportionate, and even to look a little more taller. So if you're wearing an oversized t-shirt and the sleeves are too long, that may look like you're a little bit too small for that t-shirt, and it may look like you're just kind of drowning in it. So little tips that you can do are to fold your sleeves. That'll expose your arm more, make your arm more visible, and in turn you'll look more slender. It could also give you the illusion of longer arms. All right, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this short and sweet, quick little tips on how to look tall and slim and slender and all these style tips for us petite girls. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know in the comment section below if you want more videos like this one. Again, if you've made it this far and you still have not yet subscribed to my channel, please hit that red subscribe button down below as well as the notification bell so you don't miss out on videos like this one. Also, don't forget, if you want daily outfit inspirations, be sure to check me out on Instagram. I'm just Naomi Boyer. If I mentioned anything worth purchasing in this video like this necklace, it'll be linked in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you in my next video.